the Porsche 992 911 GT3 RS by Manthey. And this is absolutely crazy. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today you join me with this bad boy here. I mean, guys, just look at this. We are here at Holman International and they actually have a stock version of a GT3 RS here. Just look at that. And when you look at the car itself, it looks already quite brutal, right? Especially when you look at this section here. I mean, if you think the TechArt spoiler is a lot, then look at this. But if that's not enough for you, you go for the Manthey Racing Kit. And here we have it, the Porsche 992 911 GT3 RS by Manthey Racing. And in today's video, I want to show you everything you need to know about this car. We are here at Holman, the car's for sale. This car is fully equipped with the Manthey Racing exterior package. We have the performance package here. We have everything on this GT3 RS. This is a proper track tool, guys. Look at that. Yeah, everything has been updated and we have quite a lot of additional parts. I will be walking you through the car, we'll be showing and highlighting all the additional Manthey Racing parts. The car is full finished in black. We have all these red details all around, even the wheels. We have a lot of carbon fiber all around the car, as you can already see. We'll be talking about that in full detail in a few minutes. Just walking you through. This is absolutely crazy. So performance-wise, we still have 525 horsepower, it's a 4-liter flat 6. This thing goes. It's a Nürburgring track killer. This can definitely break all records on the iconic Nordschleife. Yeah, there's quite a lot of them already on the track all around. Manthey Racing. If you're talking about a street legal track tool, then this is it. The GT3 RS already, the base version is crazy, but this one, wow. I mean, I honestly, if I look at the car, this is how I would imagine the GT2 RS to look like, because this is crazy. So let's start with a walk around and the tour. We'll be starting with the top here, with the roof. Really cool, the full carbon finish roof. I think this already comes from factory for the GT3 RS. But then we have these additional thingies here that actually direct the air. Yeah, it moves it all around here. We have this full carbon fiber finish back. Actually, there's a window on the stock one, but with this one it's full finished in carbon fiber. We have this additional fin here, which is also finished in carbon fiber. The way this looks is so cool. Huge fan of the finish. Real carbon fiber. And you can already see the way it directs the air all around the rear. Also here from that's the view I wanted to capture. Just look at that. And then we have this additional rear wing, which is retractable, so you can actually move it up and down for more downforce. And even this one there's a double one. See that? Here you can see, really cool. Just as a comparison, just look at the rear here, okay? Look at this wing and look at this one here. This is not even carbon fiber. We have a glass here in the back. And yeah, when you just look at the wing, this is already one of the biggest wings I've ever seen on a Porsche. But if you compare it with the Manthey Racing, this is absolutely nothing. This is crazy, right? Here you can see, and now let's focus back to this. It's so cool to have the direct comparison with both cars. And yeah, even the side fins here is humongous, full finished in carbon fiber, proper lightweight track tool, which gives you a lot of downforce. I think up to 1,000 kilograms of downforce. This is crazy. If I'm not mistaken, please correct me if I'm wrong. We have the GT3 RS badge in the back, the amazingly shaped tail lights here. We have this additional rear diffuser by Manthey Racing. This is also not stock. We have the exhaust setup here. It's quite cool the way they actually did it. I really want to have a look underneath the car and see what they've done on the underbody, because here all that's visible for me right now is just quite impressive. The way they put in so much work to make a perfect car even more perfect is impressive. As you can also see, the wheel here in the back is fully covered with this carbon fiber thing. So we have the air gliding around, so it's not causing any trouble here. Quite cool. Also the way it actually looks is so nice. This makes your car already look so much better. We have the side mirrors finished in carbon fiber, if I'm not mistaken. This is also from Manthey, but more of carbon fiber bits and pieces. Also the front bonnet, full carbon fiber. I think this is already from factory, if I'm not mistaken. And then when you look at the front and the front bumper here, you can see what Manthey Racing has actually done. We have this front lip, which is also extended with these thingies here to give us even more downforce, to make this car even more aggressive on the track. The way it actually looks is so cool, even with these side fins here to redirect the air, top and bottom. We actually have three. 1, 2, 3. Really nicely done. The car looks so good. Honestly, I just want to take this car out for a spin on the ring. We have the 20 inches here, even with the center lock. We have the carbon ceramic brakes. This is what you need when you drive on the ring. And as I mentioned, the back is also covered. We have 21 inches here, and there's this additional carbon fiber cap here to cover it. So we have the arrow moving across. It's really cool. This is my favorite view, to be honest, when you just look at the rear. This makes the car look so special. The additional shark fin here. But now let's talk about the inside as well. Here we go. As soon as I open the door, we have the Manthey entrance board. With this car, we have quite a lot of changes when it comes to the damping, for example. The car is also sitting way lower than the stock one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and in the inside, that's how it looks like. I think in the inside is still full stock, but additionally, there's a few things that Manthey can add here as well. The door panel, for example, we have this full leather, carbon fiber, perforated leather, Alcantara, and we have the Manthey Racing entrance lighting. Just look at that, looks really cool. The entrance board is also illuminated. The inside here is quite stock. We have the roll cage here, and yeah, we even have the 5-point seat belts here, the seat harness, which you can actually connect to the rolling cage, and then you have the perfect setup for your Nürburgring track day. So cool. Let me jump inside and show you more. Why do we even have a rear view mirror? Because there is actually nothing to see. It's fully covered since we have a carbon fiber back cover here. So this is so useless. I would just remove it because it's not needed. It's not necessary since we have no view. Let me just do one thing. Start up the car. Here we go. Inside the GT3 RS by Manthey Racing. So cool, honestly. I love it so much. Let me just switch the driving mode to track. Whoa, here you can see aerodynamics, dynamic downforce. We already have the wings set, and also underneath the car you have a few things that move and retract, which I can also show you in another separate video. This is really nice. Let me put both windows down and let's listen to the sound, all right? 3, 2, 1, listen to this. We have a rev limiter, as you can see, at 3,500 RPM, but the sound is quite nice. How do you guys like it? Inside we also have a fire extinguisher, as you can see right over here. Everything else finished in Alcantara. Also here on the steering wheel, you have all these buttons here. Yeah, even the shifter is so cool. The feeling, the quality, the 12 o'clock mark, everything is extremely cool, but this is already coming from factory and I love it. How do you guys like the car? Please leave it in the comment section below.